In this video, I will show you how to create a Glassdoor account. So to do this, just open up your browser and go to search for Glassdoor. And from there, go to the official Glassdoor website, so it's just glassdoor.com. And then from there, you will instantly see that you can continue with Google, Apple, or email. So this is basically how you want to create your account. So just select whichever option you want. I'll continue with Google. And that's basically all you have to do. You will see that now it is going to redirect you to the onboarding. So they will ask, are you employed? Then what are you looking for? Then what industry are you in? And then from there, going to click done. And now you will have created your Glassdoor account. Now you can also update your profile, for example, by going to your profile here and then click profile. And then you can, for example, add a profile picture and enter your information and stuff like that. So that's how to create a Glassdoor account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.